Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the passage for the aspirants who are preparing for SSC Stenographer 2025 exam. Ready? Without any stop. Start. Now, for many years past, most of these problems have been considered in the world context, and I had a feeling, and I still have that feeling, that the continent of Asia is somewhat neglected, somewhat overlooked. It is not considered important enough for as much attention to be given to it as is given to certain other parts of the world. Possibly that has been so because most of the people who were considering these problems were themselves intimately connected with the other parts of the world, and naturally they thought of them in the first instance. Naturally, also, if I have to consider these problems, I would attach more importance to Asia because it affects me more intimately. About that kind of reaction apart, it is quite obvious that you cannot consider the problem of Asia or the problem of Europe or the problem of America or the problem of Africa in isolation from the problem of other countries. It just cannot be done, and if some countries which are fortunate enough today think that they can lead their lives in isolation irrespective of what happens in the rest of the world, it is obvious that they are under a misapprehension. Today, if one part of the world goes down economically, it has a tendency to drag others with it, just as when unfortunately war breaks out, other people who did not want war are involved. So, it is not a question of the prosperous merely out of the generosity of their hearts helping those who are not prosperous, though generosity is a good thing, but it is a question of enlightened self interest, realizing that if some parts of the world do not progress, remain backward, they have an adverse effect on the whole economy of the world, and they tend to drag down those parts that are at present prosperous. Therefore, it becomes inevitable to consider these problems in the global way and to pay even more attention to those parts which are relatively backward. Asia has been for generations past in a some static and backward condition, but during the last few years, mighty forces have been at work in Asia. These forces inevitably thought in terms of political change to begin with because without political change it is not possible to have any far reaching or enduring economic change. Large parts of Asia were colonial territory. In the judgment, it is seen that the Supreme Court held it is the distributor who can refer the matter to arbitration and not the respondent, and as such set aside the judgment of the High Court appointing the arbitrator. The issue before the Supreme Court was not with regard to whether there is any arbitration clause, but who can invoke the arbitration clause. This judgment is not applicable to the facts of this case. Having considered the judgments referred to by the learned counsel for the parties, this court is of the view that the issue in the case in hand is squarely covered by the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of INDTEL Technical Services Private Limited as followed in Everest 1 Elevator Guide Rail Manufacture Corporation Limited, inasmuch as from the perusal of Article 28 of the agreement, it is clear that the petitioner has an option either to get the disputed or claims or differences adjudicated through the jurisdiction of the court or by way of arbitration in accordance with the provisions of the Act of 1996. The fact that the petitioner has filed this petition, it must be held that it intends to get the disputes settled through the process of arbitration. It is also not the case of the respondent, either him or the petitioner had earlier invoked the jurisdiction of a civil court. I also find from subclause 2 of Article 28 the intention of the parties is to refer the disputes to the arbitrator with regard to any dispute concerning accounting matters, and one of the claims of the petitioner is of non-payment of management fees, which is an accounting issue. The objection raised by the learned counsel on the maintainability of the petition is liable to be rejected. The next issue which arises for consideration is whether the respondent has terminated the agreement during the lock in period. To answer this issue, it is necessary to determine from which date the lock-in period has started or kicked in. According to the learned counsel, Article 26 of the agreement prescribes the term of agreement to be initially for 15 years starting from the opening date, renewable for another 10 years, with the first 5 years of the said term to be mandatory lock-in period of 5 years, which would thus commensurate with the starting of the term of 15 years. Over. सो ये हमारी 80 WPM पे एग्जैक्ट 80 WPM पे डिक्टेशन थी, जिसमें हमने 800 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन की है। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर कंटेंट्स फॉर SSC स्टेनोग्राफर 2025 प्रिपरेशन। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर। सर बीच में एक बार नेटवर्क गया था तो